Welcome back. It is officially time for our wrap up. But before we start the wrap up, I want to say again, thank you to our mentors for staying in those breakout rooms and assisting our students today. You guys are welcome to stay to see what these students are going to be showing off, or you can hop on out. But again, thank you again. Couldn't have done it without you all. So thank you. But it's time. I'm wasting time. It's time for the wrap up. We want to see what you all created today. I see a lot of students are here. I don't see any cameras on. I just want to say if you want to share, sometimes it really does help if the camera's on if you raise your hand. Um, and then I will let you hop on in there. But I'm going to stop speaking. Milton, it's wrap up time. We got to see what they created. Let's see some catapults in action.
That's right. It's wrap up time. We're so excited. Hey, Annie, which school, Kate, do you think is a school that's ready to go? What do you were in there in the trenches. Which school do you think is ready to go?
I saw a camera pop right on when you said that, and I see a catapult in their screen. Eagle, the Eagle Squadron this is the Civil Air Patrol in Indiana. I am going to. Are you ready to spotlight them or not yet?
No. Let's do it. No.
Let's do it.
Yeah,
all right.
Yeah, let's
They're ready.
do it.
All right. You guys have been put on the spot. Can you unmute?
Oh my God.
Do
you see what they've done? Look at this. That's not just a catapult. That's a special catapult. Oh. Sheesh. Can you all back up?
We need an angle, right? We need a little better angle. Very nice.
Yeah.
Let's see if they can unmute.
Yeah, we would love to hear from you all. Sheesh, look at that mass balance. How in the world did you finish that in an hour? That's crazy.
Oh, you got to unmute.
They're trying to unmute. They're trying.
Thank you for turning on your camera so quickly and being ready.
Ready to go.
If you want to say anything about it.
Oh, we can hear him now.
Okay, so originally this was supposed to be a trebuchet, so it needs to be
down. Okay.
There you go. So that's what it was supposed to be originally, but we changed it so that it has a little basket on here, so it's more like a catapult.
They're very nice. What was the biggest challenge in completing this design? What do you think?
Everything just kind of was unhappy. You just kind of
it was unstable. The base was really hard to get. I don't know, like to be stable. So everything's pretty wobbly, actually.
Did you all hear that? The base. Wow. And how are you going to fix that? You said you got a little misalignment on your lever. What are you thinking? How are you going to improve it? What are you thinking?
We want to get more steel next time.
Okay. All right. And I gotta catch a screenshot. Could you launch one more time? This is worth another launch. Could we launch one more time?
All right, am I aligned?
You can come closer.
Okay.
Sheesh.
Am I good?
Yeah.
That is hardcore.
You okay? Yeah, there you go.
I see it. I know you're gonna improve it. Solid. All good. All good.
They didn't see that. Okay.
All right.
Great job. Excellent job. Great way to start us off. Looks like Frederick Douglass.
You see them, Frederick Douglass. Frederick Douglass, are you ready? I'm going to pin you guys. Let's see. Oh, they turned off their. Oh, there they are.
Nice.
Hi, can you unmute so we can hear you?
Okay.
Oh, did they freeze for you?
Yeah, they froze for me as well.
Oh, let me remove the spotlight and see if that helps them out a little bit. All right.
And while we're waiting on another school, I'll just share this again. When you all show your awesome catapults, we just want to, one, praise on you, but two, tell us about any problems you had to overcome. People are going to learn by you all sharing your problems, and talk about the innovation a little bit. So it looks like Frederick Douglass is ready again.
Yep, I'm ready. All right, Frederick Douglass, you guys are up.
If you could unmute, we can see it.
We can see you. We can't hear you.
Oh,
there you go.
We can hear you.
Can you hear us now?
Yes,
yes.
We can.
Oh, okay. The little, I guess, so I don't. Can we see?
Yeah, we can see.
So this is our catapult. Probably the hardest part of the catapult was to put the base up so we can have
the base again. Yep.
So we can have a foundation to put the other popsicle stick up, and also, putting everything all together and making it stay straight. But we have to take it apart and do it again.
Wow! Did you hear what? That's engineering innovation, optimization, that running through the process. That's great. You ready to launch it?
Yeah.
All righty. Nice. Excellent. Very nice.
Great height. Good height.
Great job. Excellent launch. That's right. Okay. Well, we're 2 for 2. Monica, we're 2 for 2.
I'm waiting for another school to turn on their camera so we can spotlight them. But until then, Milton, if you want to start sharing some slides while we wait for another group to share their catapult, go right ahead.
Oh, I'm ready to go. We got a few questions. Oh, wait, no, I think it's Frederick Douglass.
That's Frederick Douglass.
Okay. We got a few questions from just different schools. So I wanted to just highlight some of these. What are some things that we do to prepare for a career in engineering? One of the great things you can do is exactly what you're doing today with Engineering Tomorrow, project-based learning, working as a team on a problem, iterating through it, and coming up with a solution. You can't beat that for sure. And if there's college interns out there, I would love to have them chime in on some of these questions with me. What do you think are the most important qualities for success in the field? That was another question. Wait, do we have a school? I heard somebody on mute. No.
I have Frederick Douglass has their hand raised again. I think they might have somebody else that wants to show off.
Okay.
Yes, we have a little bit of a different design. So
all right, I'm gonna spotlight you.
Yeah, let's do it.
Try to turn this light off. Maybe that'll help.
Yeah, set the mood right.
Okay.
Milton, you want to stop sharing your screen?
Am I still sharing?
You're still
we
sharing,
don't want to
yes.
see this slide. Let me do that. Bam.
All right, there we go.
Okay, let's put this behind it, maybe. That'll show it better. I think. Yeah. So, well, here, show your design. Go closer and show your design. Well, because it's different. I'm kind of eating right now. Hold on. Let your teammates while you're eating. So, come on.
Oh, it's lunchtime too.
So turn it sideways. So it's a little bit minimalist. Got a little minimalist design going on.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see.
Conserving resources.
This right here. Yeah. And what you doing? You want to see how did it? Watch out over here, Ivan's group. Watch out.
Yeah, don't hit anybody.
Oh, my bad.
That's all right. Second attempt.
Oh, I hit the chair.
That's all right. Maybe we'll do one more. Maybe we'll go for one more. Get it stable. Set it right. Nice. Good job. Great. Hey, are the students, are they able to talk about it a little bit? Like what was the, how did they come up with this design? Don't be shy. I'm using my Monica voice. Don't be shy.
You beat me to it.
I'm learning. Don't be shy. So welcoming.
Looking at references online, use as minimal materials as possible, and also being efficient.
Excellent. Very nice. All right. Great job, Frederick Douglass.
Fantastic job. They did their research online.
Yeah, that's engineering design process.
There you go.
Iterate it. Do we have another school? Do you see another school?
Oh, I see Metcalf just turned on. Can we
right.
spotlight you, Metcalf? Yes, we can. Hey there, Metcalf. Wow, look at that design, Milton.
Very nice. Very nice.
Oh, we're going to get to see a launch.
I think we're going to get a demo before we get a conversation, which is fine with me. Oh, look at the stack of cards. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like they got to stabilize the base one more time.
I think they're trying to hold the angle.
The
I think they're doing it with two hands. They have their phone and the base, so they can't hold on to it. That's what's happening.
Yeah, Monica knows that. She knows
they
the social
put the phone
media.
Down. There we
That's
go.
Right. That's right. That's right. Bam! Whoa! Wait. One more time. You gotta. Can you back up the? No, you can't back the camera out. Dang! I can tell that went really, really far. That was nice. They're gonna do it. Woo,
yes.
Nice.
Very nice. Can you unmute and chat with us?
Sure.
There you go. Oh, sorry.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
Great design. So
Thank
what
you.
was it one man, that's beautiful. Are we getting screenshots? That's a beautiful design. How did you come up with this design, especially the card deck?
I was looking at the examples and I was trying to build the base, but it was too light and it kept sort of falling over and collapsing. So I figured if I had a solid object to rubber band these things to, it would stay in place better.
Superb. Just finding things around the house. I mean, that's called resourcefulness. And it seems like it's pretty stable. Have you collected any data? Have you tried to use the data to improve the design?
Yeah, and I made these markings on it, so I.
Oh, uh-oh, dang, we lost it. Did we lose her just then? Sheesh.
I think they lost connection with us. I don't even see them here. Oh,
I heard her phone drop too. It's kind of like, I think it may have, but man, you could see the markings on the side where she had measured the angle. She had marked off the angle. That is really nice. Really nice. That's good. Anyone else? Are you seeing anyone else, Monica?
Nope, not seeing anyone else.
Oh, come on. We got to call some schools out. How about anybody from DTHS?
We got DTHS in the Zoom. We got Phelps Ace in the
Phelps.
Zoom.
Come on, Phelps.
We got Burlington High School.
Okay, Burlington. Burlington's that's another power school. Come on, Burlington. Phelps.
They're being a little shy.
Yeah, don't be shy.
Don't be shy. When they're ready, I got my eye on to see if somebody pops on their camera, Milton, so you can keep going.
I'll keep going. We'll just keep working back and forth. Going back, you all asked some outstanding questions. So we'll go back to this while we're waiting to see some awesome catapults. We got a few people in the waiting room as well. I wonder if one of our catapult launchers is coming back in. Somebody asked, how did you decide on which branch of engineering you want to study? That's an excellent question as well. And it's really about just passion. Like, what do you have a passion for? I'm a space geek. I keep telling people, I don't necessarily like to read books. I do now, but I didn't. I would read any book on space. That's how I knew. I absolutely loved it. So great question, St. Benedict's. And what is the most complex project that you've ever worked on? It has to be the magnetospheric multi-scale mission. Why? Because we had to build 4 satellites in a very short time, and they had to operate all together. Why don't I just pull up a picture? Magnetospheric multi-scale. Oh man, and we were investigating something called magnetic reconnection. You know, the reason why we have life on Earth and we don't have life, or we can't support life on the Mars, is because we have a magnetosphere that protects us from solar radiation. So this mission, we went to study that crazy energy happening at the magnetosphere. All right. Still, I don't see anyone. I still don't see anyone. We may have to all ask Jerry to pull out his catapult and give us a demo. I'm joking with you, Jerry. We'll keep going. So what we're doing is we're going through this presentation and we're just working on what you all have identified as problems, some of your crazy solutions. That's always good. And this is an outstanding field, right? Machine learning is a next level field for sure. Great salaries here, as we always say. You can't beat these salaries. I'm a hiring manager at NASA. I can tell you that the salaries for machine learning are much higher than this, but what's more important for sure is if you are enjoying what you're doing. That's way more important, and you're positively impacting the community. And with that, it seems like we have another school ready to go.
Got Civil Air Patrol back, ready to share another one. I'm going to spotlight you guys. All right.
Let's do it.
Can you unmute so we can hear you?
All right, you want to put on the ground?
There
we go. Check and make sure I'm on the. I've got the right. Am I in the right angle?
Yeah. Wow, nice. Could you back up? That was nice. Another really good one. Did you see that straight line motion, Monica? I mean, come on.
Can they come to the camera and chat with us about their design? Where'd they go? There they are.
Yeah, talk to us. Like, what was the toughest thing you had to overcome to make that design? Like, what were some challenges?
Probably like getting this like core stable. Like this is all hot glue. Like all of that is hot glue.
Nice.
Just keeping it
It's a
together.
giant nugget.
And what inspired you? I mean, it's a unique design. Monica and I can say we haven't seen anything like it before.
So I started off like super simple, and I started adding rubber bands and started getting more structural and more power.
That's really good. If I hope people are listening to this, he said he started off simple and he started to build upon it. That is the way you complete engineering. It's called spiral development in software. That's really, really good. Can we see one more launch?
Okay.
And maybe back up just a little.
That good?
Yeah, there we go.
Okay.
Arm of the ball. I'm going to the trash can.
Nice. All right. Now, did you all beat the previous team that presented? Who had the better launch?
At distance.
Where did you guys like end up going?
Well, you had better distance and straighter.
Oh, nice. The simplicity of the design, man. You all are teaching engineering today. You know, unfortunately, the more parts you have, the more opportunities you have for failures and disparity in the design. Excellent job. Excellent job. All right, see, they did it. Anyone else want to jump in here and just show off? We got any others?
I have somebody who said they have a student who's ready, but they're super shy. I'm hoping we can convince them at Burlington High School. They private messaged me and said the student was shy, but I want to let them know it's okay. Don't be shy. We're here we want to see what you made. Let's go, Burlington.
Come on, let's do it. Yeah, that's right, Jen. Tell them, show off the skills. You worked on it. Get a little praise out here. And if it doesn't work, it's all good. Then you tried. As long as you tried.
I don't think we're going to convince them to turn on their cameras, Milton.
Oh, man.
I know.
Yeah, we love seeing catapults. You sure? Are we sure? Okay. Maybe a PNG. All right. Yeah, hey, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Would you place it in the chat?
Thanks for the suggestion, Betsy.
Yeah. While we're waiting, I'll jump back in and just, share a couple things before we wrap up. How are we doing on time, Monica? We're solid?
We got about 10 minutes. You're solid. Yep.
Excellent. We do want to highlight that what you all are learning through machine learning goes well beyond just the catapult system that you discussed today. We talked about face recognition, but hey, here's another totally different field in pyrotechnic engineering. I am a huge Independence Day fan. How about you, Monica? Now, everybody knows I'm probably into Independence Day because of the food, but also I love food. Also because of the fireworks, right?
That's the day after my birthday. Those fireworks are to celebrate me.
Who else? Who else to celebrate other than Monica? Monica and Milton, Eminem, Engineering Tomorrow. Yeah, we did want to just spark your minds a little bit with this. What else? Like if we could go on the chat, get a little engagement from you all. What are some disciplines or some areas where you think we can apply machine learning? That's not traditional. Where do you think machine learning applies? Different applications. Maybe we can get some engagement in the chat while we're trying to prompt a team to share their screen. Where else do we have customer service? Oh, that is excellent, Frederick Douglass. I mean, between artificial intelligence and machine learning, they are actively learning about customers and trying to figure out, there's different algorithms. Where do people have a high supply and or demand of different products to push it to them? Anytime you go on a website, they're kind of tracking your shopping mannerisms. They know the exact ads to throw over to you. Oh, those Amazon ads. I think they get me and Jessica for sure. And then we just have packages lined up in front of our houses. Excellent. Excellent. All right. And Constance put this in the chat. Patents. Does anyone have one? Same here. Okay, great. 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 Anyone? I don't see any quite yet.
Burlington tried to send me an image, but I cannot open it, unfortunately. Burlington High School. They private messaged me, but I'm unable to open it. Burlington, you think you can just turn on the camera and maybe show us the sample? Maybe if the student's not on camera.
Oh, that's a great point.
I'm unable to open the image you sent.
Yeah, they don't have to show their face. They can just, you know. While we're waiting, another application we talked about is we talked about endangered species. Some facial recognition software is a well-known application that is utilized tracking pets, tracking endangered species, facial recognition, and you can see this software. We utilize similar software with satellites. If we want to track a satellite, especially if there's a satellite in space that we want to grab onto. So we'll have a LiDAR that will shoot a laser at that satellite, or flash LiDAR, and then we'll get a whole image, a 3D image of the satellite. So we make sure we grab onto it without breaking it, which is, that's my project, OSAN 1. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. All right. Well, it sounds like we may be pretty much towards the end of our day. You all with Catapults did an outstanding job today. Love to see the different designs that you worked on. Saw some pretty crazy designs too. The one at the beginning was just unbelievable.
I was gonna say they took it above and beyond. I have to say, the ones that turn on their cameras, and I know we got to see that everybody in the breakout rooms got to see a few more designs.
Yeah.
So thank you all for your amazing designs. Thank you, Milton.
Thank you, Monica.
It's been a great day. And does anybody have any last questions for Milton before we sign off? Oh, thank you, Jen. Jen just put in the chat the exit ticket. Yes. You want to hear how your day went?
That's great. We're definitely taking some questions. Oh, Brad, so the whole team is showing. Man, look at this. You can ask any one of us a question. Look at that. All right.